Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify home warranty coverage with American Home Shield, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify your home warranty coverage with American Home Shield, start by visiting their official website. Look for the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the home page. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials, including your username and password. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one by selecting the Sign Up option. Once logged in, navigate to the My Account section. Here, you will find details about your current home warranty plans. Locate the Coverage Details or Plan Information tab. This section outlines what items are covered under your warranty. If you have specific appliances or systems you wish to verify, check the complete list provided. For additional assistance, scroll to the FAQ section for common inquiries regarding coverage specifics. If you still have questions, consider using the live chat feature available on the site for real-time assistance. Alternatively, you can call customer service for direct support. Be sure to have your policy number handy for quicker assistance. To ensure everything is clear, review any exclusions or limitations on your coverage. After verifying your coverage, you should have a clear understanding of what is included. Additionally, keep a record of this information for your future reference. This process will help you confirm that your home systems and appliances are protected under your American Home Shield warranty. Following these steps will ensure you are well informed about your home warranty coverage. That concludes the verification process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.